and I am gonna be posting to my Instagram. You can find my Instagram in the description below. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting there every day and stuff like that. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the cars behind me. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna be posting on Instagram every day. Maybe going to different places, you know, going on adventures with you guys, seeing a lot of new stuff. Like I said, this year I'm taking K-Riders to a whole new level, guys. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now, because we're gonna be doing some gnarly things, visiting some cool places, some off the grid places, and just awesome stuff like that, guys. Bike, let me know in the comments what you're riding on. I want to know. Or maybe it's your bike or snowmobile, whatever you're riding. Let me know in the comments what brand you're riding. Probably like 3 videos today, maybe 2. I got a lot of work I didn't get done on the computer. I just edited a lot of stuff, uploaded a lot of stuff, so I'm really going to be editing on these next crappy days. It's supposed to rain for the next few days, so I'm really going to be editing. I got a vlog that I'm uploading tonight for you guys, or when I get back home. Uploaded our first vlog of the year yesterday. I still don't know how that's doing, so yeah, 1 million views and 0 views, I don't know, but you know, if you're watching my videos, you are awesome. And if you see me in public, guys, don't be afraid to come up and say hi. I love to say hi to you guys. Maybe, you know, let me know you're riding or something. Maybe you're riding. Left. Make sure this guy behind me slows down. He's turning left too. Whenever you're on a bike, guys, you gotta be extra cautious. Stay quite there yet. It's actually above high temperatures right now. It's above the high average, so that's nice. Let me know where you're from in the comments below. I'll be really curious to see where you guys watching from. Right at this night, I'm gonna post up at the bank up here for see where the vlog's at, and then we're gonna start a new one. Like I said, I'm recording like 2 or 3 videos today, maybe 4. There's a cop right there, guys. I don't know what went on, but somebody honked. I wasn't paying attention to their problems. It's just funny that there's a cop right there and people still aren't smart enough to drive smarter than what the cop are. Some people are not going to drive them whatsoever. I'm not hating on any of you guys out there. I think most of y'all agree with me. Alright guys, let's bust it right in here. Let's bust it right in here to see what we're going on. Hit that bell notification button, and then you'll get notified when I upload that next video. I'm gonna bust it up right here, right into the bank, right in this little area right here, right here under this nice shady tree. All right, let's see where we're at, guys. I'm guessing maybe like 14 minutes, 13 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, I don't know. We are at 12 minutes. 12 minutes seems like a pretty good video. Not too long, not too short. Get our watch hours in. Got a decent ride in with us. Isn't that right? Smash that like button, guys. Hit that bell notification button after you subscribe to K-Riders. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting on there a lot. Reels, regular photo posts, you know, pictures, whatever, guys. Just follow me on Instagram. It'll be in the description below. Just go to Instagram and type that in and you should be able to find me. And guys, I'll see you in the next one, which will be right now. I told you guys I'm going to record a lot today, like maybe 1 or 2 more videos. But peace.